Alright, so after a while, I mean well over an hour, maybe an hour and a half, with the wire wheel and the wire brush, as the solvent to get rid of gaskets, wouldn't even touch this stuff because it was an adhesive. Got it all figured out. I also got that freaking seal that was siliconed in out. So that's now out. I'm going to put new crank seal in here. I do need to just finish this up a little bit. We're almost done here. And maybe, just maybe, I can put this timing cover on today. Right, so we're going to put a little bit of silicone, a little bit around our timing cover, place our gasket, put a little bit on the back side, and then we're going to mount it. Right. Joey, your timing set. In. Timing cover. In. Timing cover gasket. In. I'm going to put your balancer in here in a second. And then we may have time to do the water pump today. We'll see. Brand new balancer. Check. Looking good.